Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tic Tac Tech with Go Richie. Like that name, don't you? Today we're going to be doing something special, my first and ever unboxing video. So today we're going to be unboxing something called the Everything Presence Lite. And this year for me it's going to be a lot about the presence sensors. So stay tuned, hope you enjoy this. Alright, so let's dive right into this. I'm going to put my hand over the address and those kind of details, but basically standard bag packaging comes in. And go ahead and rip that up and let's see. So I got the box itself, and then it looks like a little invoice that comes in there too. Pretty thick. Just one page, details of everything about it. It's 29 pounds. So that breaks down to about, altogether I think I spent maybe like 37 US dollars, but the box itself, not of the best conditions, but again, it did come across an ocean, so that's kind of cool. It's still sealed, so I know it hasn't been tampered with. It's just like the side's been crushed, that's all really. Let me pull out my knife again and get that open. So slip it open and we'll see how the rest of it goes. Oh, so I like it. It's if this was if the box was clean, it would look really nice. It's matte black and it just says Everything Presence Lite on it. And then it's EST, so the Everything Smart Home channel, I guess. I don't know. Everything Smart Home? I don't know. So there's a QR code on there to get started. And then it looks like it's just all the pieces. So let's see. Now I knew it was 3D printed, so there's looks like a adapter mount, the case itself, and there's some more pieces inside there. Let's get this out of the way. Box is pretty much destroyed. So some more sensors, and we'll just look through it and see what we got here. So now the creator of this did say like he did make some marks in one of the boxes. I'll put a link into the YouTube video for it, but he did make a mark in one of the boxes that should have like, that's how you know he used that one in the demo video, but I guess it wasn't mine. All right, so there's a sensor board here. I don't know what that does. I don't know what that is. Then the actual component itself. So this should be a ESP32 board with some firmware on it, that's my understanding already. And then I should be able to connect up everything to it to make it how I want this sensor to operate. So it should be operating, this should be all 3D printed. It's pretty good quality 3D printed too. I've seen some that are pretty poor, or you know, I mean, this is pretty solid. Like, it's a little flexible, but still good quality. And then I can mount this onto this ball once I set that up, and I'll mount this to the wall or something. Mount this to the wall, put this ball on, and then ball and join and connect it, and then position the sensor how I want it. And then it comes with a USB Type-C cable. Doesn't look anything special. And then I don't know what this is still, so I'm gonna assume this is probably the sensors themselves. And let's see if I can read anything on it. All right, so let's see what the website says. It says that should be in the box. So in the box, I've got my, so this is the micro milliwave sensor. This is the board itself, and then everything I need. Oh, apparently this is and I didn't even notice that on this side. It's a right angle braided Type-C cable. It says it's white, but it looks more silverish to me than white. It's just not black, I can tell you that much. That's pretty much it. if you have any questions, put in the comments below. I'll probably make a video once I start assembling this thing and putting it together, and we can see what it's like.